Hi, let me show you how to use the Boolean modifier in Blender. The Boolean modifier allows one object to cut, join, or intersect with another, creating complex shapes easily. I'll simply show you how to do it. There's already a cube in the scene, and now I'm adding a cylinder. We add the Boolean modifier to the object we want to shape, in this case, the one we want to cut. So I ask myself, which object am I going to carve? The answer is the cube. In the object field of the modifier, we select the object that will define the shape of the cut, in this case, the cylinder. Once everything is set up, all I need to do is click Apply. You can use this technique to make similar cuts in your own projects. Thanks for watching.